Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick get ready with me, showing you how I accomplish this easy day-to-day look. I absolutely love the colors in the Jaclyn Hill palette, so that's what I used on my eyes today. And then I used a oldie, not necessarily what I thought would be a goodie foundation. I just wanted to test it out again. This is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. When I used this back in the day, oh, and Lexi wanted to make an appearance. It's been a while since y'all have seen her, so there she is. It's been a while since I've used this, so I ordered it in the VIB Rouge sale recently, and I just wanted to test it out, so I am using that today. I did go ahead and link the products I used down below. Just real quick, I want to give you guys a quick life update. If you watched my last video, which was my spring haul video, I did mention, I believe at the end of the video, that I had a few videos lined up. They are still sitting on my computer. I have not even edited them, looked at them or anything. I don't even know if it was even a video that I could edit to upload. You know, I film a lot of videos and only maybe 10% of them get uploaded. So I of course take pride in the content that I upload on my channel. So whereas it does seem like they are far and few between, I want to make sure that what I put up I'm proud of. So that is kind of where I come in with the lack of videos, and I do apologize for that. Of course, after I've uploaded that spring haul, I got extremely sick. I am still sick, and it's been, I think we're a week shy of 2 months since uploading that video. And then I went straight into my final week of school, and then the week after that were my finals, like testing and presentation week. So then I had to really stop what I was doing, focus solely on that. I've only got one semester left until I graduate, so I really needed to crack down and make sure that I did well. And then as soon as, I think last week was my first week away from, or I'm sorry, 2 weeks ago was my first week away from school, and I didn't have any responsibility. I was hoping to get in here and start filming for you guys again, and work got insane. So I do also work full-time as well as a full-time student, so I do have a lot on my plate, believe it or not. I take my YouTube channel very seriously, which is why I only upload certain videos that I'm proud of, because I don't want to just throw up content to have content. I really want you guys to be proud of me, and I really want to show you videos that you want to see. And then of course this last week, which would be my second week without school or anything, work has died down, but I got extremely sick again, and I still kind of am, as I'm sure you can hear. I'm not talking through this video today, but I really hope you'll enjoy just seeing the steps I take and the products that I used. If you guys have any content that you want to see, please, please, please leave it down below in the comments section. I would love to hear what you want to see this summer. If it's a glowy, bronzy makeup tutorial, I will be happy to do that. If you want to see more hauls, I'll be happy to do that. Any fashion videos, you guys let me know. I don't go back to school until late August, early September, so I am all yours all summer long, and I'm so excited to crack down on these filming videos, get some good content up for you guys. Hopefully I can get those videos edited in my computer, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for the unconditional support. I know I've been gone for a while, and I'm so sorry for the lack of videos, but I am so happy to be back, and I'm happy that you guys are here to watch. So I really hope you enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I think that's all. Love you guys. Mwah.